Chapter 10th Agriculture in India. Kharif crop,
Kharif crop. Crops on in the rainy season.
monsoon crop.
Monsoon crop.
Rabi crop,
Crops on in the
sown in the
winter season. are
Winter
called
crop. Winter crop. Plantation,
Plantation. Crop grown single.
growing of.
Crop growing of single on large areas for
Commercial purpose. Beverage.
beverage. Any drink other than water.
India is an agriculture country.
Yes.
Agriculture does not provide food for the people.
No.
Two types of crops are produced in India.
Yes.
Food crops grown to earn profit.
Yes.
No. Food crops grown to earn profit. Yes. No क्यों लिखी हो? Rice grows well in hot and humid climate with plenty of rainfall. Yes. India is a dash country.
Agriculture.
Rice is a dash crop.
Kharif.
Pulses are rich in
Proteins.
crop grown for commercial purpose are called cash crop. Crop which is known as the golden fiber.
Jute.
Fill in the blanks. Two types of crops grown in India are
Kharif crop. Rabi crop.
dash is known as the king of fibers.
Cotton.
Jowar, bajra and ragi are known as
Apple.
millets.
Millets.
स्पेलिंग गलत है. Millets नहीं, millets. Gram, moong and arhar are known as pulses. Tea and coffee are known as.
Punjab. Beverage and plantation.
India does not have a suitable soil for agriculture. False. The largest producer of jute in the world is India.
True.
Tea and coffee are mainly grown in Punjab.
False.
Wheat is grown in the summer season.
True.
False. Rice is grown in a hot and humid climate. True. What is a plantation crop? Give example.
A plantation crop is
Grown on a large areas
large areas are
for commercial purpose.
for commercial purpose. Example: tea, coffee, rubber, etc.
Enumerate the statement agriculture is the most important occupation of the people of our country.
Agriculture has
Agriculture has played a key role
Agriculture has played a key role
in the development
of human civilization. India
Farm.
has ranked 34
Farm output.
worldwide. Two-thirds of population is involved in agriculture. Agriculture provides food for people
and raw material.
and raw materials. Industry and country use
Significantly to the national income. Distinguish between the Rabi and Kharif crops.
Rabi crop in winter season. It is a
Winter crop.
winter crop.
Examples are
Example: mustard,
gram, pea, etc.
etc.
Okay, now
Kharif crop sown in the
Rainy season.
is grown in the rainy season. It is a monsoon crop.
Kharif crop sown in the rainy season. It is a monsoon crop. Yes, examples are.
Rice, groundnut, etc.
Okay, justify the statement. Rice is the most important crop of India.
Rice is the staple food of Indian people, especially in the eastern and southern parts
Of India.
of India. India has the largest area of under rice cultivation
In the world.
and it is the second largest producer
In the world.
in the world.
What climatic conditions are needed for growing sugarcane pulses? Sugarcane?
Sugarcane. It requires hot and moist climate.
Moist climate.
Most required
Moist, moist.
with plenty of water to grow.
Of water to grow. Okay, now you say pulses.
Cold and
Warm climatic.
warm climatic conditions are needed for growing pulses.
Okay, now you say describe why wheat is a staple food of the people of North India.
India is one of the main wheat producing and
Consuming countries
consuming countries
of the
of the world. It is second
important food crop in India.
important food crop of India.
In India.
In India. North Indian states like
Punjab,
Haryana, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh are the major wheat producing state. So wheat is the staple food of the
people of North India.
people of North India.